It's a brand new day, guys, and I don't know if Bobby is finished with the 190E yet. I don't even know if he started as yet, because I just dropped it off suddenly, and yeah, I don't think it's fixed yet. But I'm gonna stop by Bobby because I want to show him this. I want to show him that and see what he says about it, and I want to drive the car also. So let's go. I have these two minions with me. Oh, let me show you something before I go, guys. I saw somebody mention something about seatbelt, but this car comes with this seatbelt. It doesn't come with the seatbelt that goes across the shoulder. This goes across your lap. So I'm gonna let you start it. I want to start the car. Press it again. Press it again. I had to knock the start out for it to start, so I didn't get the video. Drive nice, you know. This car drive really good. And boy, everybody like them just blocking the road to look at the car. Man, this car has a lot of attention. Guys, when I'm driving, I have to be looking to make sure I'm not going over any bumps, because you know the oil pan is very low. Yeah, guys, pulling up by Bobby shop now. Oh yeah, Bobby car here, so it must be here. Yeah, Bobby, I ain't this enough, eh? I ain't this, yo, Bobby worked on this car a few times when Brenta was spraying it as well. When I repainted it, I should say. Yeah? Yeah, me have the new wiper blade them. I have a new one them. I see them one I bought mash up, man. End up on the car too long. Yeah, I buy back a new thing then, man. So it was Bobby, me show you this. Man, me not show you this. You look at that damage on there, so. Yeah? I'm gonna do it for a purpose. going vex for? Alright guys, we're heading back home now. Heading back home now guys. Bobby said to bring the car come. He will let me know when to bring the car come. He's excited about it as usual. You know what I mean? So it's just to really get it sorted out. One thing with project cars guys, they're never done working. They're never done yet. They always have something else to do when it comes to projects. So yeah, I'm excited to do some more work on this car. Guys, since I looked under the car again the other day, I'm very conscious about the oil pan. Very, very conscious about the oil pan. So it's like now I'm a lot more cautious. And I don't think I need to be, but I'm a lot more cautious. Getting a little warm now, but I have my towel. Wait. Man, roads. Not try to do too much. I think it's the first I went into it since, you know, I got the car, but not trying to do too much. The roads them too bumpy, man, and my brain just on the oil pan under the car. I don't think anything is gonna happen, but my brain is just on it. From the oil pan guys, I don't have to baby this car. I can just drive it. And I know a lot of the older cars, the older classic cars here in Jamaica, like they have to drive them, they have to baby them around the place. No, not this car. Ease up off the gas while they're changing and you just pop. Yeah, man. Wicked guys, lick some shot. I hope I don't pass any police while they're changing the gears like that. My legs getting a little warm because the exhaust, there's no heat shield blocking off the exhaust from the car, so it gets a little hot on my legs. some more brace for the axles and for like the underneath of the under the car. I'm back home now, guys. That was a nice little cruise around the place, and I'm excited, guys, to get this car looking like showroom ready. I mean, everybody's saying the car look really good already. Everybody just stopping, giving me a thumbs up, saying the car looks phenomenal. But I mean, imagine with like a complete repaint. Imagine how it's gonna look when the car is repainted. It's going to look insane. Going to look insane, man. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Back home now. The boys enjoy the drive. The car pull real good. Like I say, I ordered some brace for the rear diff, for the entire rear end, so it's a lot more sturdy. Yeah, man, when I'm driving around, the car feels good, and I'm loving it. Sounds good. But I'm still gonna put those resonator on it to see if it can give like a little more bass. I think it need a little bit of bass in the exhaust, if you know what I mean. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.